I always knew I wanted to work with the environment or with animals or with conservation from when I was as young as I could remember. And so I knew that I wanted to work in the conservation and water sector for a long time. And then as I started to progress through my high school and the beginning of my college career, I started to focus more on the hydrology side specifically.
The new Department in Civil and Environmental Engineering and Science will serve students who are interested in everything from environmental science and management all the way through to environmental engineering, civil engineering. We will be providing resources with amazing new instrumentation for pretty much any environmental science you can imagine.
Coming into these labs and seeing all this equipment was like shocking to see that much. Finding out that you could start doing research as soon as your freshman spring semester, and because of how it is a small student to faculty ratio, you're able to run your own samples, and also you're not just working directly under a grad student, you're able to have a direct line of communication and work with your professor you're working under. You just get to know everyone very well, and it just makes a very nice and comfortable working environment, as well as a way easier learning environment, because you're never afraid to ask questions or go out of your way. You're never afraid to go to office hours because everyone knows everyone, and it's just a really nice community.
I really like the diversity of the projects that I've been able to do. I've been able to do pan evaporation paradox, I've done sand mining, I was able to get the internship at the Department of Energy, and in the summer I'll be working on microplastics. So it's just a lot of opportunity where I'm not really stuck in like one project.
And that sense of community and that sense of, and we're all here for each other if we need anything. And some of them are taking classes I've taken before, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I remember that. I might have some notes for you that could be helpful. It's a really great way to connect with people, and I've really, really enjoyed that.